Today I'm looking for some inspiration for a carving project, a little bit of New Zealand, something that'll really show off a sample of native timber, and most importantly a functional gift for someone special when I head over to the UK in a few weeks' time. So I'm looking for a shell. It's a simple form that's instantly recognisable, with a smooth convex shape on one side and a concave shape on the other that'll serve as a functional dish or bowl. And even though it's winter here on Auckland's North Shore, the sun is shining on the east coast bays. So what a great reason to take a walk, soak in the site and find a pattern for my project.
Hip hooray!
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your